Most people spend between $2,000 and $10,000 trying to make their backyard look like something out of a magazine. And the crazy part, they still end up with a space they don't even want to sit in. What if I told you that the most stunning backyard transformations I have ever seen didn't come from a landscaper, a home improvement warehouse, or some overpriced outdoor furniture store? They came from Dollar Tree. And here's the thing that really gets me. Dollar Tree is sitting in every city, every zip code in this country, and most people walk past it thinking craft supplies and greeting cards. What they are missing is an entire backyard transformation toolkit hiding in plain sight. You know that feeling when summer rolls around and you look out at your backyard and just think, this is it? Maybe it's plain, maybe it feels forgotten. You've got a patch of grass, maybe a sad little chair, and a whole lot of wasted potential just sitting there baking in the sun. And every time you scroll through Instagram or Pinterest, you see these gorgeous private garden retreats and think, that's not for people like me. That's too expensive. That's too complicated. I don't have the time. I hear you. I used to think the exact same thing. But here's what nobody is telling you. A backyard that looks like a luxury escape doesn't require a luxury budget. And today, I'm going to prove it to you, dollar by dollar. Now, I want you to think about something for a second. What if one of the hacks I'm about to show you looks so good that your neighbor stops you and asks which landscaping company you hired? And what if that same hack cost you less than $5? That's exactly what's happening in backyards all across the country right now, from Zone 5 in the Midwest to Zone 9 down in Texas and Southern California. And before we wrap up today, I'm saving the absolute best one for last, a Dollar Tree privacy screen that is so gorgeous, so lush looking, that people genuinely cannot believe it didn't cost hundreds of dollars. So do not leave early. You don't want to miss that one. Before we jump in, if you're new to Garden Homes, welcome. Hit that subscribe button right now because every single week we show you how to make your outdoor space look incredible without spending a fortune. And I want to hear from you right now in the comments. Are you working with a small backyard, a medium-sized space, or do you have a big yard you just don't know what to do with? Drop it below because knowing that helps me make better videos for you. Okay, let's get into it. Hack number 1, Enchanted pathway lighting. The very first thing that makes a backyard feel like a private oasis is lighting. Not harsh lighting, not bright bulbs. We're talking soft, warm, magical lighting that makes your space feel like you stepped into a boutique hotel garden. And here's how you get that look for practically nothing. Grab Dollar Tree solar garden stakes, the simple ones, usually in a pack. Then grab their glass gemstones or their small glass votive candle holders, whichever you can find on your visit. Press the solar stakes into the ground along your garden path or the edge of your yard. Drop a glass holder over the top of each one. When the sun goes down, those lights filter through the glass and cast the most stunning warm glow across your entire backyard. It looks like something out of a Pottery Barn catalog. I've seen people spend $40 and $50 on pathway lights that don't look half as good as this. Total cost for this entire pathway, usually under $8. That's your first transformation, and we're just getting started. Hack number 2, the Lush vertical herb and flower wall. Now let's talk about something that solves two problems at once. Problem 1, you want more greenery, but you're short on ground space. Problem 2, bare fences and walls make a backyard feel like a prison yard, not a paradise. The fix? A vertical wall garden using Dollar Tree hanging baskets and zip ties. Pick up as many of their wire or plastic hanging baskets as you want, the more the better. Stack them vertically along a fence or a wall, connecting each one using zip ties through the bottom loops. Line each basket with a little coconut fiber mat or even landscape fabric cut to size, and fill them with potting soil. Now plant trailing flowers, herbs, or even small succulents in each basket. Within a few weeks, you've got a living green wall that looks intentional, designed, and absolutely beautiful. If you plant cascading petunias or sweet potato vine, those trail down between the baskets and create a waterfall of color. This one hack alone transforms a flat, boring fence into the focal point of your entire yard. And if you're in Zone 6 through Zone 9, this wall will thrive nearly all year with the right plant choices. Here's what makes this even better. You can mix and match different plants on the same wall. Put herbs at the top where they're easy to snip when you're cooking. Put trailing flowers in the middle where they get full visual attention. Put shade-loving plants down low near the ground. What you end up with is a wall that is not just decorative, but functional. It feeds you, beautifies your space, and costs about $15 to get started. Hack number 3, the DIY butterfly and pollinator station. This next one is my personal favorite, and it's one of those hacks that does triple duty. It looks beautiful, it brings wildlife into your yard, and it becomes one of those little corners of your garden that you find yourself sitting near just to decompress after a long day. Head to Dollar Tree and grab a plastic decorative plate or shallow bowl, something with a little bit of depth to it. Pick up a bag of decorative stones or flat river pebbles while you're there. Fill the plate with the stones, then add just enough water so the stones are partially submerged but still sticking up above the surface. Set this shallow watering station somewhere sunny in your garden, near flowers if you have them. Butterflies, bees, and other pollinators land on the dry stones and drink from the water between them. It's called a puddling station, and it is one of the most effective ways to attract pollinators to your yard naturally. Add a few Dollar Tree artificial flower stems around the base of the bowl to make the whole setup look designed and intentional. Cost for the entire thing? About $3. The butterflies that show up are completely free. Hack number 4, the Boho solar string light canopy. All right, we're building the atmosphere now, and this next one is the hack that gets the most reactions every single time. If there's one thing that instantly makes an outdoor space feel like a place you never want to leave, it's string light canopy overhead. And yes, Dollar Tree carries solar string lights. Now here's how you take it from basic to breathtaking. Pick up 4 garden stakes or use bamboo poles. Dollar Tree usually carries both. Push them into the 4 corners of your seating area. Then take your solar string lights and drape them in loose, sweeping arcs from pole to pole, crisscrossing overhead to create that canopy effect. Add a second strand if you want it denser. The solar panel tucks away facing the sun during the day, and come nightfall, your backyard lights up like a scene from a rooftop cafe in Italy. If you want to level it up even more, weave in some Dollar Tree artificial ivy or garland along the strings. This creates a lush, romantic overhead canopy that feels unreal for what it costs. I have seen this exact setup recreated in backyards across the country, and every single time, the homeowner says their family suddenly started spending every evening outside. That's the power of good lighting and intentional design. Here is a tip most people skip but makes the biggest difference. Do not pull your string lights tight. Let them sag in a gentle curve between your poles. That natural swag is what gives it that dreamy, organic feel instead of looking like a parking lot. And if you are in Zone 7 or warmer, this canopy can stay up all year. In cooler zones, take down the garland in fall and just leave the lights. They will carry the magic all the way into winter. Hack number 5, the painted planter makeover. Plain planters are one of the biggest missed opportunities in any backyard. You can have stunning plants in the most forgettable containers and the whole arrangement falls flat. But here's the thing, Dollar Tree sells terracotta pots, plastic planters, and small containers, and with a can of acrylic paint and some sisal rope from the same store, you can turn those plain planters into something that looks handmade, artisan, and expensive. Pick a color palette that suits your backyard vibe. Going for a Mediterranean or Tuscan feel? Think terracotta orange, warm white, and muted sage green. More of a modern minimalist look? Go matte black or concrete gray. Paint your pots, let them dry completely, then wrap the lower half or the rim with sisal rope, securing it with hot glue. Finish with a clear outdoor sealant spray so your work holds up through rain and sun. Group 3 different sizes together in a corner of your yard and fill them with real or high-quality faux plants. That cluster of 3 suddenly becomes a statement. It anchors the space, it gives the eye somewhere to land, and the whole cluster cost you maybe $6 to put together. Hack number 6. The mini water feature that sounds like a spa. Nothing, and I mean nothing, makes a backyard feel more like a private retreat than the sound of water. It's the reason spas play water sounds. It's the reason luxury hotels have garden fountains. Water sounds tell your nervous system to slow down. And you don't need to spend $300 on a fountain to get that effect. Grab a large plastic storage container or a deep Dollar Tree basin, the kind they sell for washing or storage. Pick up a bag of decorative stones and some aquatic plants or floating Dollar Tree greenery. Add a small submersible pump. You can find inexpensive ones on Amazon for under $10, and this will be the only non-Dollar Tree item in this entire setup. Place your pump inside the container, cover it with the decorative stones, and add your floating plants or greenery on top. When you plug it in, water circulates up through the stones and creates a soft gurgling sound that carries through your entire backyard. Surround the container with potted plants and Dollar Tree lanterns, and you've just built yourself a garden water feature that looks completely intentional and custom-made. Here's what I love most about this hack. Once you set it up, it takes care of itself. The pump runs quietly, the plants float and look effortless, and the sound of the water is genuinely calming. I've had people sit near a setup like this for an entire afternoon and say it was the most relaxed they had felt in months. It becomes the heartbeat of the garden, this quiet, steady sound that ties everything together. Hack number 7, the fairy garden nook. Every great backyard oasis has at least one spot that feels like it belongs to a different world, a little corner where the imagination takes over and the stress of real life just evaporates. That's what a fairy garden nook does, and Dollar Tree is genuinely one of the best places on earth to build one. Pick up a few glass jars, some moss sheets or moss bags, a couple of miniature figurines, mushroom decorations, small stepping stones, and whatever little whimsical pieces catch your eye in the craft section. Choose a corner of your yard, maybe under a shrub, along a fence, or nestled between two potted plants. Press the moss into the ground or lay it across a soiled area to create a soft green carpet. Arrange your glass jars with a small tea light or fairy light tucked inside. Set your figurines, mushrooms, and little stones throughout. Add a few trailing plants at the edges. What you've created is a living vignette, a little world within your world. It's the kind of thing that makes guests stop mid-conversation and say, "Wait, did you do all of this yourself?" And the answer is yes, for about $7. This is also one of the most shareable things you can do in your garden if you document it for social media. Fairy gardens consistently go viral because they photograph beautifully. If you have kids or grandkids, this is also the perfect project to do together. Let them pick the figurines. Let them press the moss into the ground. Let them arrange the little stones wherever they want. What you are doing is so much bigger than gardening. You are building a memory. And that little corner of your yard becomes one of those places your whole family returns to again and again. Now, before I give you the big finale hack, I want to save you from a few mistakes that a lot of people make when they start Dollar Tree gardening. Number 1, thin plastic shoe organizers. You've probably seen the idea where you hang one on a fence and plant herbs in each pocket. It's a great concept, but the cheap plastic versions crack and split within a few weeks of sun exposure. If you want to do a pocket planter on a fence, look for the polypropylene woven fabric versions. Those hold up. Number 2, standard Dollar Tree foam containers used as outdoor planters. They degrade fast in the sun and rain, and your plants will suffer for it. Instead, use their terracotta or plastic pots and seal them properly. Number 3, Dollar Tree wood items left unfinished and unsealed outdoors. Those little wooden crates, signs, and stakes are great starting materials, but raw wood outdoors will warp, swell, and rot quickly without a proper coat of outdoor sealant or paint. Prep them correctly and they last a full season or longer. Use them straight out of the bag and they'll be compost in 3 weeks. Now that you know what to avoid, let's get to the hack you've been waiting for. Okay, this is it, the one I teased at the very beginning, and I promise you it lives up to the hype. One of the biggest things missing from most backyards isn't furniture or lighting or plants, it's privacy. That feeling of being enclosed, sheltered, like you're in your own secret garden and the rest of the world doesn't exist for a while. Expensive pergolas and privacy panels can cost hundreds, but here's the Dollar Tree version that looks just as good. Go to Dollar Tree and grab as many packs of artificial ivy garland or green vine garland as you need. These are usually 1 to 150 per pack, and each strand is about 6 feet long. Now, head to your local hardware store or use what you already have at home and get either a simple wire fence panel, a garden trellis, or even just 3 or 4 bamboo stakes arranged in a line. Weave and tie your Dollar Tree ivy garland through the openings of the trellis or wire panel, working from the bottom up. Layer different lengths and let some trails hang loose for a natural overgrown effect. Mix in Dollar Tree faux flowers. White, lavender, or soft yellow look particularly stunning throughout the greenery for color and texture. Once it's full and layered, set it upright and anchor it with garden stakes into the ground or lean it against an existing fence. What you end up with is a thick, lush, green privacy screen that looks exactly like a botanical garden wall. In zones with mild winters, you can keep this up nearly all year round. It blocks sight lines, softens noise, creates an intimate atmosphere, and photographs like a dream. People walk into backyards with this screen and immediately feel like they've arrived somewhere special. That is the transformation. That is the Oasis feeling, and that is what $11 of Dollar Tree garland can do when you have the right idea behind it. That's 8 backyard transformations using nothing but Dollar Tree. Pathway lighting that looks boutique, a vertical living wall, a pollinator station, a string light canopy, designer planters, a water feature, a fairy garden nook, and a privacy screen that stops people in their tracks. None of this required a landscaper. None of it required a big budget. All of it required the right ideas and the willingness to try something different. If this video helped you see your backyard in a new way, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps this channel grow and helps me keep making content like this for you. And here is what I want you to take away from all of this. A beautiful backyard is not about money. It is about intention. It is about looking at a space and deciding it deserves better. Dollar Tree gave us the tools. You bring the vision. When you combine the two, something magical happens. Your backyard stops being the place you glance at through the kitchen window. It becomes the place you actually live. And if you want more budget garden transformations delivered straight to you every week, subscribe to Garden Homes right now. There's a whole lot more where this came from.